Hello everyone and welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we'll show you how to connect the Skydroid G16 to QGroundControl and Skydroid Fly GCS. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to connect the Skydroid G16 radio controller to a Holybro Pixhawk 6X flight controller and verify the connection in both QGroundControl and Fly GCS. This video is divided into 3 parts. What products are used in this test? How to wire the system. How to verify that the connection is working properly. What products are used in this test? The products used in this test include Skydroid G16 radio controller, Skydroid GR01 receiver, Holybro Pixhawk 6X flight controller, battery, Holybro Pixhawk 6X power module. The cables used include TELEM 1 Plus SBUS cable, GR01 receiver power cable, XT60 to JST 1.25 adapter cable. How to wire the system. First, let's connect the hardware. Take the TELEM 1 Plus SBUS cable and plug the main connector into the TELEM SBUS port of the GR01 receiver. Connect the SBUS branch cable to the RCIN port of the Pixhawk 6X flight controller, and connect the TELEM branch cable to the TELEM 1 port of the flight controller. Connector specifications are as follows. GR01 receiver side, GH 1.255 pin. Pixhawk 6X RCIN port, 2.54mm 3-pin DuPont connector. Pixhawk 6X TELEM 1 port, GH 1.256 pin. After completing the communication wiring, connect the power system. First, connect the Holybro Pixhawk 6X power module to the flight controller. Then connect an XT6 to JST adapter to the output side of the power module, and connect the GR01 receiver power cable to the adapter to supply power to the receiver. Finally, connect the battery to power up both the flight controller and receiver. How to verify the connection. After completing the wiring, we can begin verifying the connection. Before opening the ground station software, launch the Skydroid Assistant application. First, make sure the radio controller and the GR01 receiver have already been paired successfully. Then enter wireless settings and check whether the telemetry baud rate matches the baud rate configured on the flight controller's TELEM 1 port. In this test, the Pixhawk 6X TELEM 1 port is set to 57,600 baud, so the GR01 receiver and G16 radio controller should also be configured to 57,600. If your flight controller uses a different baud rate, make sure to update the radio controller settings accordingly. Otherwise, the telemetry connection will not be established properly. Next, open QGroundControl. Click Application Settings in the upper left corner and navigate to the COM Links page. Scroll to the bottom and click Add to create a new connection. You may enter any name for the connection. Configure the settings as follows. Type UDD. Port 14,551. For server addresses, enter 127.0.0.1:14552. After entering the information, click Add Server, then click Save. Return to the COM links page, select the newly created connection and click Connect. Wait a few seconds and return to the flight view. Now gently move the flight controller. If the artificial horizon and attitude data update in real time, it means QGroundControl has successfully connected to the flight controller. Next, open the radio calibration page. Move the control sticks and switches on the radio controller. You should see the corresponding channel values changing in real time, confirming that the SBUS control link is functioning correctly. Testing Skydroid Fly GCS. Next, let's test the Skydroid Fly GCS ground station. Open Fly GCS and enter the software through offline mode. On the home page, find No Device Connected and click it to switch the connection method. In the device list, locate the icon corresponding to the G-series receiver, which is the GR01 receiver, and select it. The software will automatically return to the main interface and begin establishing a connection. Once connected, move the flight controller and observe that the attitude data updates in real time. That concludes this tutorial on connecting the Skydroid G16 to QGroundControl and Fly GCS. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.